This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Nissan Sentra with the keys inside. First, always check if you have a spare key available, as this is the easiest and safest solution. If not, consider calling roadside assistance. Many services can help you get back into your car without damage. A professional locksmith is also a great option for quick and secure entry, especially if you're in a hurry and need immediate assistance. For a do-it-yourself approach, you can try using a wedge to create a small opening at the top of the door frame. Once a gap is present, a slim jim or a straightened coat hanger can be inserted to try and hook the lock mechanism or press the unlock button. Remember to proceed with extreme caution to prevent any scratches or damage to your car's paint or weather stripping. Some older Nissan Sentra models might respond to the shoelace method, where you create a slip knot and try to lasso the door lock. Another option is a long reach tool, which can be carefully guided through a small opening to press the unlock button on the dashboard. If these methods seem too difficult or risky, contacting your Nissan dealership can provide specialized help. To avoid future lockouts, always make it a habit to carry a spare key or remote, perhaps in your wallet or bag. A magnetic hide-a-key box, discreetly placed on the underside of your vehicle, can also be a lifesaver. Life's too short for cheap socks, so check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Remember, prevention is always the best strategy for keeping your keys safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.